Are you a higher or additional rate taxpayer? If so, did you know that you're eligible to claim back up to 25% on the gross total of your charitable donations? Here's how it works. John is a higher rate taxpayer, paying a maximum of 40% tax on his income. This March, John's decided that he'd like to support his community by making a donation to one of his local charities. John uses Localgiving.org's search function to find a list of charities in his area. He selects his favourite and opts to make a donation of £100. By ticking the gift aid box, John adds an extra 25% to the total amount, meaning that the charity will now receive £125 for John's donation of £100. And that's not all. As a higher rate taxpayer, John's eligible to claim back the difference between the basic rate of income tax, that's 20%, and the highest rate of income tax that he pays, that's 40% of the total gross donation amount. This equates to 20% of the full £125 received by the charity, enabling John to claim back £25 on his self-assessment form for the tax year. By making a gift aid donation, John's net spend of just £75 has turned into £125 for the local charity. That's an extra £50 to go towards key projects to improve his community. Charity begins at home. Support your local charities and build a better future for your community. This tax year ends 5th of April 2014. Donate now at localgiving.org.